How far now? Why your face be like this?
You don't collect your result?
I collect result yesterday now. I can't like give my mommy say our school want do end of year closing prayer. I know say you come meet me for here. What of you?
I result with that. I carry 39 out of 40. But no, don't be say I fail.
You pass only one person.
Pass one person.
That means your mommy no give you big chicken lap.
My mommy tell me say if I no pass well this term, you know, buy me Christmas shirt. Buy me Christmas shirt.
No worry. You go borrow there.
You correct am.
I'll correct her. No say my own result good pass your own. Me now 25. This your 39 too big. You get borrow?
Yeah, I get borrow.
Take it. You get to borrow? Give me one now.
You correct?
Give me one. See this 39. We'll remove 9. Maybe you can't get third position. If they ask you for house, you say you na bracket third. You know that bracket third? Na bracket.
Okay, so now I carry third for class. And so I be number 3 man.
Number 3 man. You like her?
I like her. That one's sweet too.
Anytime when you carry big position, they bring her come.
Okay.
I'll give you number 3 man.
Okay.
This year. May only you know do am go spoil. You know say your spit dey plenty. Small spit.
Yeah, right.
No, wait. Now that 9, I don't clean 9 now. You let her dry. Ganga. You remember that arrow D when they dey on top. You can't be third. Yeah.
Now, person you dey draw.
You know, say I will write and we make clear. What is this?
Third.
You like her?
I like her. I be number 3 man for class.
Number 3 man for class. You know, say anytime when you don't like your result, if they bring her come, I'll give you 3rd position.
See, if my mommy give me meat, I'll cut for you for inside. I'll cut meat for you.
Truth or? Truth or?
I'll cut for you.
No, do like truth or God?
Truth or God.
Truth or?
God.
Okay. Let me say, time go reach now, you say you forget to.
No, I don't forget. I'll cut for you.
Even if you don't see me, you cut and put for your pocket.
I'll put them for pocket for the Mugo.
Take, put her for your bag.
Pass it.
Eduardo. Solo. You now go school today.
We go do end of year prayer. And there we go.
Okay. Your friend don't tell you say he never see show me result.
No, he don't collect result today. Abi?
Solo. Show me now. Don't say na your result take fine, na so your clothes go take fine no.
Masolo, my mama go dey wait for me.
Na.
Hey, don't you want to come for us so. Mama dey go.
No wahala. Let me greet your mama, yeah?
Okay, ma. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Solo, Nothing you carry you.
Yes, now I carry third.
Out of 40.
Because say I be number 3 man for my class.
Hey, solo. Why they come write am like this? Now someone say they write am.
Okay, now my uncle. My uncle, he say if I do mistake, carry my grade, give one girl for class. So as I complain, I got change and back, come give me back. I thought.
But they get that white this thing where they say they correct this thing. This one can't be like waiting they use spit stay clean.
My uncle say in correction fluid don't finish. Then the school one was suggest Tifam. So you know got there.
I foresee whether maybe we go ask your uncle, but as you say talking like this, so
uncle don't travel.
You don't travel?
Don't travel.
Oh, na Christmas.
You know, don't travel.
Now wow.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hey, Solo. Not be your teacher when you say don't travel be this.
Solo, you told your mother I traveled.
Uncle, did you not travel today?
Travel to where, Solo?
Teacher, na results we dey argue. I say this theory, he say na I carry theory. The way they write the theory, e not clear for my eye. I know say I no go school, but no be like this e dey be before. Now he say na you change am to theory. I come say make we go meet you. He say you don travel.
Madam, this is one of the reasons I came to report your son Solo to you. Solo has failed to upgrade in his academic performance. This term, Solo came out 39 out of 40.
Hey!
So, Mama, I'm surprised that I'm seeing third here.
Out of 40.
He took 39.
So now one person else will no pass.
Madam, the person that won't took 40 is not an active student. And you only wrote one exam.
Students where they say no active. Whereas only one exam, then you fit pass solo. Me they laugh Eduardo say he carry 25. So now even better pass you. You and that your Eduardo now go say na school na dey go. You go carry 39 out of 40. You want wear Christmas clothes. Today.
Solo, how come I'm seeing third here?
Jesus is Lord. Hey! So the role where I teach this boy, now me want take am dey deal. Now today I go tell you say now me be your mama. Whether now you teach me or na me teach you, we go know. Uncle, I dey come.
You say that your uncle come house, abi?
Yes, now come house. Come house. My mom come beat me well. Hey, see my body. See.
You.
See.
You. Thank God say I quick come off for day that day. You want me for beat me journal?
See, I want to teach that uncle lesson. What you go do? We go beat that uncle picking. Beat him.
No.
You see the try as well.
No, if we beat that Peking now, Papa no say na because of wetin he do make us beat the Peking.
No be like
We'll put devil bean for your body, where they scratch well. And you know, you go pour for your body like this till reach house. We'll put devil bean for your body.
No. Stone and shit.
Stone and shit.
I never shit for like 4 days now.
I talk and say something they smell for here. You mess?
I no mess. So now think I dey think to mess. Now they smell so.
That means the shit go walk. See, we'll stone and shit. We'll all wait. We'll wait near your house. As you just they come out, maybe your bath, you all they go out. We'll stone and shit. You shit and that be?
We go shit and that now.
So we'll go shit and that.
So we'll go stone now.
We'll shit and that so that the shit go ripe.
Yeah.
The smell go ripe well.
That I say I give you chocolate, I'm not even chop. Who carry?
Omasalo, happy Christmas.
Eduardo, how you doing now?
My friend.
That's Eduardo, fine. Where you wearing new shirt? Your mama try for you.
Now because I carry 25th, I say it's so new clothes for me.
You go carry 39.
Eduardo, this is your shirt now oversized, so you go wear them for 3 years.
No man. Fat cake. I will do Christmas for you.
I don't get too money.
Oh, do Christmas for me now. Do Christmas for me. Mommy, I beg. Yeah, thank you, mommy. You go collect your own for your mama hand, yeah?
No, I know you give me.
I beg you now carry on a fight. I want rest today.
Okay.
So no go sit down my uncle.
Then your uncle, how much you go?
They dash us money.
Who are not fight so?
No fight.
Yeah, I not quarrel.
Don't follow us, so. Why they follow us now?
I dey follow na go jare.
See, when we save money, they buy glass. We buy yellow, we go buy red.
Live on a black sheep.
Of the family.
Blah, 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 sheep.
It's one of their work.